Welcome to this newest video tutorial, where you will see and learn how to create an account and how to register to a competition. First, this landing page that you can see on the screen is an example of a possible event that can appear on our platform, either a hackathon or a tech hub. On the landing page of an event hosted in NUWE's platform, you will find a comprehensive overview containing essential information about the competition, how it will work, timetable, categories, teams, among other essential items. If you want to join and register to the competition, you will have to click on the Register to the Competition button. If you have already an account, you can fill email and password. If not, you will have to click on the Create an Account button and fill your email and create a password. Once you have read privacy policy and terms and conditions, you can click to accept them. Afterwards, you can register. Check your email because you will have to enter a code to verify your account. Click on Verify Account and the register form for the event will appear. You have to fill the parameters that you can see on the screen. Once you fill the information, you can click on the Send button. Afterwards, you will have a congrats message confirming your participation in the event. In addition, you will receive a confirmation email as well.